Practice set 1.3. First question we have given here. See here. First question. Give here a textbook. Fill in the blanks with correct numbers. See this. Vertical line 3, 4, 2, 5. Again vertical line is equal to product of these two. Always product of these two first. This way first, then minus sign always, then product of these two. 4 into 2 means 3 into 5 minus 4 into 2. Therefore 3 into 5 15 minus 4 into 2 8. Therefore our answer is 7. Then question number second. This is question number 1. This is our question number 2. Find the values of the following determinants. Means same method. Find the values of determinants. Vertical line -1, 7, 2 and 4. We apply same method here. Okay, -4 into -1 into 4 minus 2 into 7. Therefore 4 into -1 minus 4 minus 2 into 7. 2 into 7 is equal to minus 4 minus 14 minus 18. This way we find another values. See here. Example number 3. See here. Example number 3. First value 7 upon 3. Vertical line 7 upon 3. 5 upon 3. Then 3 upon 2. And here 1 upon 2. Same method we apply here. Multiplication of these two. 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus here product of these two. 3 upon 2 into 5 upon 3. Therefore product of this 7 into 1 7, 3 into 2
6
minus 3 into 5
15
15 upon 2 into 3
6
Now denominators are same or equal. We write as it is 7 minus 15 addition or subtraction of numerators. Here 7 minus 15. Therefore here 15 is bigger. We give sign of it and subtraction 15 minus 7 8 upon 6. Therefore 2 3s are and 4s are. Therefore answer is -4 upon 3. Did you understand?
Yes.
Practice set 1.3. Solve the following simultaneous equations by using Cramer's rule. Now we take example number 6. Example number 6. That is 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. Now we compare this with standard form. Ax plus by is equal to c. We compare this. Now this is standard form and general formula. Now we write here a1x, b1y and c1. Did you understand? We take this way. Now our a1 is equal to 2. b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to 2. These are our first values of A1, B1 and C1. Did you understand up to this? Then second equation, that is x minus y upon 2. X minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Now we take this same to same, or we multiply both sides by 2, then becomes very easy. Multiplying both sides by 2. Therefore 2 into x minus 2y upon 2 is equal to, here also we multiply 2 into 1 upon 2 this way, and we make linear equation in the proper way. Therefore 2x minus 1y is equal to 1. Now we same way comparing with standard form, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Therefore here a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 1 and c2 is equal to 1. Okay, now here after getting these values we use formula. What is first? D. Determinant D is equal to series A1 and here A2, B1 B2. Did you understand? Now we put values. What is A1? 2. A2? 2. Our B1? 3. And B2? minus 1. Now here therefore D is equal to multiplication. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into 3 is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Here minus 2 into 3 is equal to means minus 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 8. Now we find determinant of x. Determinant of x. Vertical lines. Now when we find determinant of x, then don't write coefficients of x. Instead of these two, means coefficients of x, we write c1 and c2. And here say b1, b2. Now we put values. We put here values. c1, 2 and c2, 1. Then b1, 3 and this minus 1. Okay. Now we find here value of dx. See this. Dx is equal to, now multiplication of this 2. 2 into minus 1 minus product of these two. 1 into 3. Therefore dx is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 into 3 3. Therefore minus 2 minus 3 means minus 5. This is our dx and here our d. Now we find determinant of y. Determinant of y means dy. dy is equal to, now we write same as it is, a1, a2. But instead of b1, b2, these are coefficients of y. So instead of this, we write here c1, c2. Now we put values. A1, 2 and A2 also 2. Now C1, 2 and C2 1. Same method we apply here. dy is equal to multiplication 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2. Therefore, dy is equal to, see, 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2 4. Therefore, here 4 is bigger. Give sign and subtraction 4 minus 2. This is value of dy. Therefore, we find solution, means x and y. Therefore, x is equal to dx upon d. What is dx? Minus 5. And our d minus 8. Therefore, minus divided by minus plus. What is our answer? 5 upon 8. Then we find value of y is equal to dy upon d is equal to, what is dy? Minus 2. And d minus 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are minus divided by minus plus. So our x and y we have got here 1 upon 4. Sorry. Therefore, solution alphabetically x first, letter y, means 5 upon 8 and 1 upon 4. These are our values. Practice set 2.3. Solve the following quadratic equations by completing square method. Okay. Now I will take second example. Series number 2. Example number 2. X square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now here coefficient of x square is 1. Then there is no need to arrange or to divide, generally to divide to this equation by any number, because coefficient is 1. Then keep as it is. Only we take this constant term to the right side first. Therefore, x square plus 2x is equal to 5. This minus becomes plus. Did you understand? This is our first step. If here bigger than 1, then first of all dividing both sides by 2, 3, that number, particular number. But here 1, so there is no need to divide by any number. Now here we use formula. Third term is equal to square bracket 1 upon 2 into coefficient of x, coefficient of x bracket square. This is our formula. Therefore, third term, now tt, is equal to 1 upon 2 and coefficient of x, what is? Plus 2. So there is no need to write plus. Bracket square. 2 and 2 cancelled. Therefore, 1 square is equal to 1. 1 square is 1. Now, adding this 1 in both sides of equation 1. We add this 1 in both sides, means LHS and RHS. Therefore, x square plus 2x plus 1. I said adding. So add here is equal to, What is right side? 5 plus 1. Did you understand? Now after adding, LHS becomes perfect square. Perfect square. Perfect square of here. We take square root of x square. Square root of x square. X. And always this sign. Always this sign. If you are minus, write minus. Plus, plus. And square root of 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Bracket square means x plus 1 bracket square means this. Did you understand? Is equal to 5 plus 1, 6. Now taking square roots. Taking square roots of both sides. Both sides. Therefore, see here. Square root of x plus 1 bracket square means square and square root cancel, and here also square root of 6. Therefore here x plus 1 after cancellation of square and square root, and here x plus 1 is equal to here plus minus square root of 6. I told you many times why do we write this way. Therefore here x plus 1 is equal to, once we write plus square root of 6, or we write x plus 1 is equal to minus square root of 6. Did you understand? Now we take this plus 1 to the right side. Therefore, our plus 1 becomes here minus. Plus already here square root of 6. Means value of x is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 6. Same way we take this plus 1 to the right side. Therefore, or we say or, what is x is equal to, we take this here, minus 1 minus square root of 6. Therefore, our roots of given quadratic equation, which are those roots? Minus 1 plus square root of 6 and minus 1 minus square root of 6. These are our roots. Question number 6. Alpha and beta are roots of quadratic equation y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Then find first alpha square plus beta square, and second alpha cube plus beta cube. Now first of all, we compare this quadratic equation with standard form. A y square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1. Here no coefficient. Then we write 1. Then b is equal to
minus 2
and c is equal to
minus 7.
Very good. Now therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Then minus original and value of b
Minus
2 upon 1. Minus into minus.
Plus.
Very good. Then alpha into
Beta.
sum of the two roots and product of two roots. Alpha into beta
C upon A
is equal to, right, value of c
minus 7
upon,
A 1
therefore minus 7. Alpha into beta is equal to
minus 7.
minus 7. Did you understand?
Yes.
Now find the value of number 1. alpha square plus
Beta square.
beta square. Now we don't know value of alpha square plus beta square. Only we know value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So we reduce alpha square plus beta square into alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. See here, alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. Now this is additional. This is additional. So we subtract this. Means minus 2 alpha beta. Therefore, plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta cancel. Then remain alpha square plus beta square. This is our perfect square of. Means we reduce this alpha square plus beta square into alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Therefore, alpha square plus beta square. Did you understand this?
Yes.
Here only we add plus 2 alpha beta. So we reduce it by writing sign minus. Therefore, this is perfect square of alpha plus beta bracket square. See here, square root of alpha square. I told you many times, give this sign here and square root of beta square and bracket square minus 2 alpha beta. I told you, no, reduce to alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Very simple. Then we put values. Alpha plus beta 2 bracket square minus 2 into alpha into beta.
Minus 7.
Therefore, alpha square plus beta square is equal to 2 square
4.
minus into minus
Plus
7 into 2
14.
is equal to
18.
18. Did you understand this first?
Yes.
Then second, find value of alpha cube plus
Beta cube.
beta cube is equal to, now alpha cube plus 3 alpha square beta plus 3 alpha beta square plus beta cube. Originally we have here alpha cube and beta cube. Alpha cube and beta cube. Now these are additional. These are additional. So we write here minus 3 alpha square beta plus minus cancel. Then here also plus. So we write here minus alpha beta square. Did you understand? These are cancelled. Then remain same. See here. So this is perfect cube of alpha plus beta bracket cube minus 3 alpha beta common, minus 3 alpha beta common. Then what is left here? Alpha plus here beta. See here, minus into plus minus 3 alpha into alpha, alpha square. Okay, and this beta minus into plus
Minus
3 alpha beta into beta, beta square. Then we put values. See here, alpha plus beta,
2.
alpha plus beta
2.
2
Cube.
cube minus 3 alpha beta
Minus 7.
and alpha into beta 2. Means 2 cube minus 3 into minus 7 into
2.
2. Therefore, 2 cube
8.
minus into minus
Plus
3 into 7, 21. 21 into 2,
42.
8 plus 42,
50.
50. Means these are the values of alpha square plus beta square and
Alpha cube plus
alpha
beta
cube
cube.
plus beta cube. Practice set 2.4. Solve using formula. Now we take first example, that is 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0. This is our first example here. Now we compare this with standard form. Standard form am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. This is our standard form. Now this is our a is equal to
5.
this is our b is equal to
-4.
minus 4, and this is our c is equal to
-2.
minus 2. Did you understand? Now our formula m is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 ac upon 2a. This is our formula. Now we substitute values. m is equal to minus b na here. So we write minus and then we put value of b. Value of b is minus 4. Plus minus square root of b square. What is value of b?
-4.
Minus 4 bracket square minus 4 into a into c. What is a? 5. And c?
-2.
Minus 2 upon 2 into a.
5.
A means 5. A into 5. Therefore m is equal to minus into minus plus minus square root of minus square means minus into minus plus 4 square 16. Here minus into minus plus 4 into 5 20 into 2 40. Okay, upon 10 or keep as it is 2 into 5. No problem at all. Now m is equal to 4 plus minus square root of addition 16 plus 40 56 upon 10. Now here 4 plus minus 14 into 4 upon 10. Okay, therefore m is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 4 2 square root of 14 upon 10. Now here 2 and 4 divisible by 2, so we take common. What is 2 bracket 2 2s are 4, 2 into 2 4 plus minus square root of 14 upon, I told no, keep as it is 2 into 5. Okay, see this, these are our two roots. Therefore roots are here. First we take 2 plus square root of 14 upon
5.
and secondly only here minus 2 minus square root of 14 upon 5. These are our two roots. Practice set 2.3, example number 4. Example number 4. 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now first we take this 2 to the right side. First step, 9y square minus 12y is equal to minus 2 plus 2 becomes minus 2. Now here coefficient is bigger than 1. Coefficient of y square bigger than 1, then dividing both sides by that coefficient. Now dividing both sides by 9. Therefore 9y square upon 9 means eliminate it, cancel it, minus 12y upon 9 is equal to minus 2 upon 9. 3 4s are 3 3s are. Therefore y square minus 4y upon 3 is equal to minus 2 upon 9. This is our equation number 1. Then I told you find third term. Third term is equal to 1 upon 2 into coefficient of y bracket square. We apply this rule. Okay, then third term is equal to 1 upon 2 and bracket, what is with sign, minus 4 upon 3. This is coefficient of y bracket square. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Therefore 1 into minus 2 minus 2 upon, here also 1 into 3 3 bracket square. Therefore third term is equal to minus square means minus into minus plus 2 square 4 and 3 square that is 9. Now we add this value, adding in both sides of equation 1. We add this value in both sides of equation number 1. Therefore we get y square minus 4y upon 3 plus, we add this, plus 4 upon 9. This is perfect square is equal to, what is, minus 2 upon 9 plus, we add this, 4 upon 9. Did you understand? Now I told this is perfect square. Square root of y square, what is? And I told you many times, take this sign always here. If they are plus, write plus. If minus, minus. Square root of 4 and square root of 9 means before square. Before square. See this. After square this. Before square. Did you understand? Right here. Bracket square is equal to, denominator same. Write as it is. Minus 2 plus 4. Therefore, here y minus 2 upon 3 bracket square is equal to 4 minus 2, 2 upon 9. Now we take square roots of both sides. Therefore, see here, what is y minus 2 upon 3 bracket square. We take square root. Therefore, square and square root cancelled. And this right side also we take square root. Square root of 2 upon 9. Now, after cancellation of square and square root, we get here y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to here plus minus. We don't know square root of 2. So, we write as it is square root of 2. But we know square root of 9. What is? 3. Therefore, now we take this minus 2 upon 3 to the right side. Minus becomes plus 2 upon 3 plus minus square root of 2 upon 3. Now, here also denominators same or equal, right? As it is means 3. And here 2 plus minus square root of 2. Did you understand? Now these are our two roots. Therefore, roots of given quadratic equation. First, 2 plus. First we take plus root 2 upon 3. And secondly, we take minus 2 minus root 2 upon 3. Did you understand?